If you getting that unemployment money, make some noise.
Mera Djmcjr. Dile a ella que me lo ponga pa' atrás. Tra, 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 tra.
Yo, what is up? It is your boy Djmcjr, Djmcjr TV, and guess what? I'm on my way to the club. The club, you're like, what? The clubs are open? Yes, they are open. Actually, today is the first day I'm actually back at the club. Let's see how it goes. My boy Chino scooped me right now because, you know, we're getting lit tonight. Chino! Where you at? Where you at?
Right here.
Tell the people what's up.
Yo, what's up, Real Cantina.
Let them know where you from. Let them know your name. Let them know what you do.
Yo, my name is Djmcjr. I'm from the DMV. I'm from South America, Peru, here in VA, and this is what's going down tonight, Real Cantina.
All right, guys, stay tuned. Let's see what's up with the club. I don't know what to expect. We'll see. We just made it to Rio Cantina. Look who we got in the building. The famous, the one and only McLovin.
What up, baby? What's going on, y'all?
Yes, sir. But like I told you guys, I don't know what to expect tonight. First time at the club since, you know, all the clubs shut down and everything. So let's see how it goes. Rio Cantina, we out here. Y'all don't got no weapons, no illegal drugs on y'all right now?
Nah, just a
Alright.
Coke,
A little coke? Alright, you put in your shoe though, right? I'm playing. Haven't been here in forever, dude. Check out what this place looks like. That's McLovin's baby mama right there. That's your baby mama, right?
No.
No. No.
It's about that twerk time, come on. I'm gonna take it to the Instagram live though. I know you know this, come on. Dice así, lo mismo.
Hey guys, so we just finished our Thursday night party at Rio Cantina. It was, I think it was good. Like I told you guys earlier, I was like, I don't know what to expect, but it was decent. It was good. I like that I had fun. Indio, give them your feedback.
It was pretty good. You know, we're happy to be back though on Thursday night, Showtime Thursdays with Djmcjr and Papi Chino.
The question is, are you drunk?
It's the water, bro. The answer is no.
No. N-O.
I'm drinking water.
Bueno, despídete de la gente.
Alright, mi gente. You know what I'm saying? Next time, come follow us over here on Thursdays at Rio Cantina. Junto a Djmcjr and Papi Chino. Oh yeah, I'm dark, so you need
Now we got better, like, cause he's kind of dark, so we need.
Alright, mi gente. So next time, follow us here at Rio Cantina, man. Showtime Thursdays. Junto a Djmcjr and Papi Chino. J Curls in the building, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to DJ Chino,
Yo, mi gente, it's been real. Hasta la próxima.
The man that likes to have sex with his shoes on. Y'all didn't hear that from me. Yo! You're going wrong way. You're going wrong way. Dude, guys, if you drank, don't drive home. Uber, Lyft is cheaper than a DUI. Or el raitero, the one that has an R, that's the Spanish version of the Uber or Lyft. He's way cheaper than a DUI, trust me, experience tells you. Guys, we are home now. Djmcjr TV, we are out. Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe, hit that notification bell. Let all your friends know about the channel. Deuces, good night.